You're going to explore a couple of different options, things that you can do once you finish high school. So in order to start the activity, you need to make sure that you have already finished the Kuder Careers Interest Assessment. We did this on Monday. So if you were absent on Monday, you're going to want to do that first. But if you were here on Monday and you completed that assessment, then you can go ahead and start this assignment. You're going to go to the website, navigator.kuder.com, and it's going to take you over to your OK Career Guide. And from here, you'll see the results of your career's interest assessment and your skills confidence assessment. But the first thing it tells you to do is that you need to click on Plan for Education and select Options After High School. So I go back to the website and I look over on my left-hand side. I select Plan for Education and I select Options After High School. Once I do this, I see that I've got a couple of different options after high school. And my worksheet tells me that I need to click on an option that I'm considering and write it here. So if I take a look here, I'm considering going to a community college or technical school. So I click here to open that up, and I need to make sure that I remember to type my answer in here. Okay. Then it says a list of your top 2 or 3 career clusters will appear based on your assessment results. Choose a career cluster that you're interested in, click the plus sign next to its title if it already isn't expanded, and write the cluster here. So if I look at those options after high school, remember I selected community college, and I have the option of health science, law, public safety, corrections and security, or information technology. The one that interests me the most is information technology, so I click on this plus sign here. And when I open it up, I see all of these different career opportunities. So within here, I need to make sure I put information technology here. I've chosen my career cluster. I can see these occupations that I can pursue based on what I know and what I'm able to do. And then I'm going to click on 3 different occupations in this list and research them and fill in the information here. So I go back and I'm looking and I think that web and digital communications sounds awesome. So I'm going to click on that. And in here I can read about web and digital communications. I can see more jobs opportunities. So I'm going to look and try to figure out which of these occupations I'm interested in, and I like the idea of doing web developer. Now I've got more information here. I've got quick facts, a video, and some information that I can read. I'm going to read through all of this information and then start to fill out this for my career, which was web developer. Once I fill out this information, I would put the actual money there. Primary tasks, blah, blah, blah. Then I move on to occupation number 2. I go back to, I'm just going to click my back button to get back to where I was previously. Here are my options after high school. I selected information technology. I want to make sure I stick with the same cluster. And this time I like computer user support specialist. I'm going to go in there. Here's some information about computer user support specialist, and I fill in this information. After I'm done filling in all of the options for number 1, I move down to option number 2. It tells me to choose a different option after high school by clicking on Plan for Education and selecting Options After High School. So I'm going to go over here, click on Plan for Education, Options After High School. And the first time I chose community college or technical school, but I'm also considering going to the military. So I'm going to click on military, and I have this time 2 occupations available to me, health sciences and law, public safety, corrections, and security. So then I go through and I fill in this information for my second option. Now in this situation, I only have 2 possibilities, and that's just fine. I'm going to choose which one I want. I like health science, so I'm going to go to health science, and I've got all of these different careers that I can choose from after getting that military experience. So I click on the one that I want or that I'm interested in, And I read some information about it and get some background information. Now, with military careers, I'm not going to see any information on salary, and that's fine. You can leave that portion blank. Once you fill out all 3 occupations, you're then going to go and finish these last 2 questions comparing the experience and education options. Make sure you answer the entire question so that you can get all points possible. A hint, I'm going to be grading these 2 questions very closely, so you want to make sure that your answers are really good. Anyway, see you guys on Friday. Have a wonderful day.